Boom. What's up? What's up? What's up? Should I say good night? Good night. Good night. It's your girl Queen, and I'm checking out to go to bed, bed. It's your girl Queen, back with another back with another video. Just got done brushing my teeth. Now I'm gonna cleanse my face before I go to bed. Which, hold that thought. Need a washcloth. So just hold on. I'll be right back. So this is called night facial cleaning. So before you apply anything on your face, we make sure your face is completely clean. Cause I have like a little spot on my face. I don't know like it's going nowhere. And you don't need much of this cream. And I don't use a whole lot, but and I try to put it where it's like dark at. And I'm trying to let my eyebrows grow to be kind of bushy. That's why they look so crazy. But yeah, this is just a facial apply before I go to bed. And everybody do their facial apply different. Yep. And this, you don't need much of this. And the key thing is consistency. But I do this every day, but I don't blog it every day because I just don't. I don't know why. It's really no excuse why I don't. I just don't. I just don't blog it every day of me putting facial cream on my face. And as y'all see the scars on my neck, that's keloid skin I have. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I got keloid skin. That's from when I had surgery. And I was in a coma. And it's your girl Queen, back with another video. Getting ready to go to bed. This is my night routine video with my facial on my face, as you guys see. And you want to make sure you get good enough in your pores. And that's it. All right. Good night. Good night. Sleep tight. Time for me to go to bed. Good night. It's your girl Queen. I'm officially checking off. See my face?